Hi friends, do you know there are more than 50,000 cargo vessels or cargo ships which facilitate the global trade. So out of them today we are going to talk about top 10 largest or biggest cargo vessels. So hi friends, this is Shivam Sharma and you are watching the Supply Chain Gyan. So friends, if you find this video informative, please do not forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. So let's get started. Dear friends, these vessels or ships are largest or biggest according to their carrying capacity. The carrying capacity of each ship is generally measured based upon the TEU. TEU means 20 feet equivalent unit, means these are the containers which are 20 feet long, 8 feet wide. In the list of top 10 biggest cargo vessels, the MV version comes on the 10th place. It was constructed by Hyundai Heavy Industries, South Korea, and it was launched in 2014. The length and breadth of this vessel is 400 meters and 58.6 meters respectively, and the carrying capacity of it is 18,800 TEU, and now it is owned by United Arab Shipping Company. On the 9th place, MSC Edina is there, which is constructed by Samsung Shipbuilding and Heavy Industries. It was launched in 2016. It has the length of 399.9 meters and breadth of 58.8 meters. And the carrying capacity of this vessel is 19,462 TEUs. And it is currently registered and sailing under the Liberian flag. On the top 8th place, Ever Golden comes, which is constructed by Imabri Shipbuilding, Sezo Shipyard, and it was launched in 2018. The length of this vessel is 400 meters and the breadth of this vessel is 58.8 meters. The carrying capacity of this vessel is 20,000 TEUs and it is currently operated by Evergreen Shipping Company. And the 7th place is occupied by the vessel COSCO Shipping Taurus, which is constructed by Gyan Shipbuilding and launched in 2018. The length and breadth of this vessel are 399.8 meters and 58.7 meters respectively, and the carrying capacity of it is 20,119 TEUs. MOL Trump comes on the 6th place. It is constructed by Samsung Heavy Industry, South Korea, and it was launched in 2017. The length of this vessel is 400 meters and the breadth of this vessel is 58.8 meters. And the carrying capacity of it is 20,170 TEUs. And currently it is operated by the Japanese shipping operator Mitsui OSK Lines. The MOL Truth is there on the top 5th place, which is constructed by Imabri Shipbuilding Company Limited, Japan, and it has the length of 400 meters, breadth of 58.5 meters and the carrying capacity of 20,182 TEUs. And this ship is currently operated by the famous Ocean Network Express Group of Japan. The Madrid Musk has occupied the 4th place in the list of top 10 biggest cargo vessels, and it is constructed by Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering, and it was launched in 2017. The length of this vessel is 399 meters and breadth is 58.8 meters, and the carrying capacity of this vessel is 20,568 TEUs. And on the top third place, CMA CGM Anton the Seine Expiry is there, which is constructed by Hanjin Heavy Industries and Construction, Philippines. It was launched in 2017 but entered into the services in 2018. The length of this vessel is 400 meters and breadth is 59 meters. The carrying capacity it has of 20,954 TEUs. The top second biggest cargo vessel is COSCO Shipping Universe. It is constructed by China State Shipbuilding Corporation, which was launched in 2018. It has the length of 400 meters and breadth is 58.6 meters. It is the largest cargo ship in China, which has the carrying capacity of 21,237 TEUs. And in the list of top 10 biggest cargo vessels, the first place is occupied by the vessel OOCL Hong Kong. It is the largest container vessel ever built, and it is constructed by Samsung Heavy Industries George Shipyard, and it was launched in 2017. The length of this vessel is 399.87 meters and breadth is 58.8 meters, and it has the carrying capacity of 21,413 TEUs. And friends, if you want my next video on any specific topic of supply chain management domain, please do let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Happy learning.